Well, it's been 3 years since I last filmed this elevator. This old OTIS at the Macy's at the Exton Square in West Whiteland, Pennsylvania. Here we go. Got your illuminating black buttons on both sides. Start by going to the upper level. Go down to the lower level. It's your standard early 70s Strawbridges elevator. This used to be a Strawbridges before this was converted to a Macy's in 2006. Here are your fixtures. Your old OTIS illuminating black buttons and non-illuminating black buttons down there. Go back up to the upper level. Get that pre-door. Here's your inspection certificate. This was installed actually in 1972. 4,000 pounds is your capacity. And at the lower level. And your secondary set of fixtures over here. Your primary set over here. There's your service cabinet. There's your phone. See, OTIS. And that's it for this video.